So let's try some practice. The first thing we need to do when we are using these, when we're doing these problems to find segment lengths within a circle, is we need to identify, do we have a secant, do we have a tangent, two secants, two tangents, do we have chords, what do we have, and then we can identify the rule that we need to apply. So in this particular case, we have a secant because it crosses the circle twice when we are looking at segment AR here. Notice it intersects the circle at point A and point B. Then the other segment is just a tangent. It's just going to cross that circle one time. It's not even going to cross it. It's going to just barely touch it. It's going to continue on outside there. That's a tangent. So we have a secant and a tangent. The rule for that, remember, is from the tangent, the whole squared is equal to, from the secant, whole times outside. So what that looks like here is whole squared. Well, we don't know what that is for the tangent, so we'll just say x squared is equal to whole. Well, the whole thing, we don't really have it explicitly marked out here, but we know the inside piece is 5, the outside piece is 4. The whole thing, the whole secant, is 9. So 9 times the outside piece is 4. So x squared, the tangent squared, has to be equal to 9 times 4, which is 36. Now, to solve for x, the length of segment GR, or that tangent there, take the square root. Square root of 36 is just 6. That tells us that the length of segment GR has to be 6, using those rules we just learned. Now here's another one. We have the length of segment BC. We want to know the length of segment BC. That's that whole chord going across the circle. Well, we don't know that, but we do have two chords crossing each other here. We have two chords. And the rule with the two chords was, remember, piece times piece equals piece times piece. So literally, if we look at chord AD here, we know that 5 is the first piece times 6 is equal to 10 is the first piece times x is the second piece. We end up with 30 equals 10x. So we divide by 10 on both sides. We end up with x equals 3. And that's not what the question's asking, though, so make sure you're reading these carefully, because you might say, oh, well, x equals 3. Choose A. Read the question. It wants the length of segment BC. That's that entire chord cutting across the circle. So it would be 3 plus the segment that we already knew, which was 10. 3 plus 10, that whole thing would be 13. So we would choose C. So it is now time to take your ticket out the door and your 3.09 quiz. And as you finish this video, please send me a message letting me know what the ticket out the door password was. Or if you don't know it, send me a message letting me know that, and I can direct you to the correct room to watch that video. But send me a message what the ticket out the door password was and tell me bye-bye, and you can log out and get to work. Thank you and have a wonderful day.